This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be showing you a quick DIY that will keep your iPhone cooler or warmer during the summertime or in hot climate areas. The temperatures can soar into the triple-digit numbers, or in cooler climates below zero. Temperatures soaring above 100 or dropping below zero, both can cause damaging effects. Most in my area notice this often when leaving their phone in their vehicle, only to see when they return their phone shut down due to overheating. The most severe case I have seen is a screen melt directly to a Otter Box from a linen delivery driver. His truck had no AC and temps soared above 100. You can use this do-it-yourself technique for any phone while using any phone carrier case. But in our example, we will be showing you the Otter Box. Notice how the Otter Box has different ports that you can plug items into. These different ports can also act as vent ports for minor cooling, or during colder climates, or at times they can act as a way to warm a said phone. There are a total of 3 ports on the Otter Box that can be opened or kept closed. The Otter Box in itself does a great job in protecting against the elements. Being I live in a hot climate, I have not experienced a cooler temperature phone shutdown, but have been told it is the same effect to soaring temp. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. Also, feel free to leave a comment. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.